back to the garden. So today I'll be unboxing this greenhouse. I'll be assembling it and give a short review. So today we have Damien on the camera and Andrew will be helping me to assemble the greenhouse.
Hey guys, let's do this. Okay, Shan, so what we're going to do is going to take it out this way. Much easier. Guys, so this is what we have.
No instruction?
Yeah, there's an instruction manual there. Right there.
Alright guys, so these are all the items that came with the greenhouse. We have these bars that are supposed to be used to make the structure. Then we have the connectors to put them together. We have the trays over there and then the greenhouse covering. So according to the instructions, each piece should be labeled with a number or a letter. And then we have a diagram that shows us which ones are supposed to be connected together. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So went through and organized the pieces by numbers and letters. The connectors are organized by letters and these poles were organized by numbers. So we just went through to make sure that we have all the pieces to assemble the greenhouse.
Yeah, essentially just to allow us to have a seamless process during the installation. Okay guys, so we're going to begin with construction of the base. So Shan, let's go. We want to get the pieces and start construction over this side. So let's have one. Yeah. Alright. What's next, Shan? We have the connectors. What connectors we using? Just more black up with it, please. Let's say put on a wrong car.
No. The window's supposed to be on the outside.
Sure. You just put it
Well,
on.
I am not taking this off and put it back on again.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we finally finished putting the greenhouse together and this is how it's looking. We used some rocks at the bottom to prevent it from blowing away in strong wind. Some things I like about the greenhouse is that it has mesh at the door to prevent bugs from going in. It also has 3 windows, one at each side. Alright, can follow me into the greenhouse. Alright, so these are the windows I'm talking about. One here, there, and over here. It helps with the ventilation. We also put some pebbles on the ground to stop the weeds from growing through as much. And we zip tied the shelves to keep them sturdy. It also came with this right here where you can hang your tools on them and things like that for easy access. Andrew, what do you think about the greenhouse?
At first, it seemed rather small, but I mean, this is a fairly good size for starting out. Easy access. We have about 12 rows. Easy access. So, I mean, once we master this, I think we'll be moving on to a bigger project. Make sure to like up the video, them, see me?
And to help to keep the greenhouse sturdy, we also use this, and it came with some tie downs that we put into the ground and just tie this on it to hold it down. The window I was talking about, you can roll it up, open it, and roll it, and then just tie it up in case you want inside the greenhouse to cool down with the breeze. You can just tie them up like that.
Hey, thank you guys for following us, and welcome to the end of the video where we were doing the unboxing of our greenhouse. So Shan will ensure that she provides timely updates, so please ensure that you will like, subscribe and share.
And hit that post notification bell icon so you don't miss when we come up with new videos for the greenhouse.